Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video on this mouse. This is a new budget gaming mouse by Fantech. As you guys can see, it's called the Fantech Venom WGC1. It's a wireless 2.4 GHz Pro gaming mouse. It has 800 to 2400 DPI, 6 buttons, and dual power mode. Let's go through the box. On the top here, you guys can look at the features. It says it has RGB color, nano USB receiver, 400 mAh battery, so it's going to be rechargeable, dual power mode, Pixart 3212 sensor, and 2400 DPI, and last but not least, it has 20 million clicks. So this is the front of the box. The sides just says the name. The other side has more features. Here, the technical specs down here. You guys can pause the video if you want to read it. In the back, it shows a little diagram on how the mouse looks like, and more stuff about the mouse in other languages. So if you actually open up the front, you guys can see more features and the mouse itself. So let's go through some of the features here. Again, it's the same thing, 20 million clicks, DPI, extra button. Then on the bottom here, we actually get an explanation. Let me just focus. We get explanation that number 1 is for power, number 2 is for the RGB. You guys can take a quick look at the mouse right here inside. We'll get to it soon. So let's open up the box. The box opens up from the top, and you can see that it says Venom WGC1. Inside the top, we have the charging cable for it. This is a micro USB. Unfortunately, it is not Type C. Let's move on. The mouse is inside, so what you do is fold it out. Okay, let's take this cover away. This is the mouse itself. I think it looks pretty good. It's matte. There's the Fantech logo there. This is what the bottom looks like. Inside the box, we get a warranty card by Fantech. You gotta fill it out yourself. And we have a user manual right here. Basically in English, and it teaches how to charge it, how to connect it, specifications, the size of the mouse, nothing else. Let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. I think it's good. It has a DPI button right here. The scroll wheel has a button on it, and it has a battery indicator. These are the 2 clicky buttons, one on the mouse, 2 more at the sides. Let's look at the bottom. On the bottom, let me get closer to the camera. This is what it looks like on the bottom. There's a Fantech logo right there, and this is the on and off switch. Once you on it, you guys can see that the sensor is on, and this is for the lighting or the RGB. So once I've on this, you guys can actually see this is the RGB. And the USB receiver actually goes under here. I don't have it with me now because it's actually plugged into one of the computers. So the USB stick goes inside here and it can come out and connect. And for charging, you can see on the front, it uses a USB micro to charge. Unfortunately, it's not Type C. This is the cable. So yeah, overall, I think this is a nice mouse. If you guys are considering on getting this, it's only around 59 ringgit or under 60 ringgit. That's around $15 US. This is the patterning on the sides, buttons. Top is matte. Battery indicator right there. The RGB light that will keep changing. And yeah, I think it's a pretty nice mouse, pretty nice design. So yeah, what do you guys think about this mouse? Leave your comments below. If you think that you'll be getting this mouse, I think it's a pretty good mouse for the budget. Like this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.